Running reports in MYOB allows you to see what's happening across all areas of your business. Reports help you analyze and track the health of your business, including managing reporting requirements for the tax office. Understanding your business position will help better prepare you for the end of financial year. There is a range of reports to choose from in the reporting menu. The most popular reports are the profit and loss and the balance sheet. Because you will use these all the time, you can mark them as your favorite by clicking the star for easy access. Let's take a closer look at these reports. The profit and loss report will help you see how much money is coming in and out of your business. Plus, you can even see how your business has performed over a period of time. By utilizing the filters, you can customize your reports. For instance, you may select the last financial quarter as your date range. You may also want to see this broken into months. You can do so by selecting the breakdown menu and selecting monthly. Nice. Now you can compare each month's figures. If you have year-to-date amounts or last year's numbers you want to compare to your actuals, you can tick these boxes to add them. But that's not all. By clicking the report options, you can select from many other choices. You can add the budget, accounting method, how you want to display your figures and negative values, and choose what you want to display or hide in your report. We'll leave the accounting method as accrual, but let's exclude year-end adjustments. And to make it even easier to read the figures, let's switch off the currency symbol. Looking good. If there are any amounts that don't look quite right, you can investigate further. Any field in purple text can be selected to display more information. So for this account and the select date range, these are the transactions that make up the total. You can drill down even further from here. A new browser tab is opened, which displays the invoice. So you can check that all the details are correct. This looks right. So let's jump back to the report. Wouldn't it be great to see these figures in a graph? It's as easy as selecting the graph icon. Depending on how you choose to break down your report, you'll either be presented with a bar or line graph. Simply hover over the line or bar graph to see the dollar values. If you have other businesses you'd like to report with this, you can do so simply by clicking the Consolidate button. Here, you can combine the report amounts with several other businesses. Returning to the grid view, we are able to export this report as an Excel or PDF. When exporting as a PDF, we can use the default styling, or we can style it with our company branding or logo. For more information on PDF report styling templates, check out our help page in the top right corner. If you'd like to review the report in a new browser tab before saving, simply check this box. Ensure you give your file a meaningful name in order to be able to locate it later. And just like that, your profit and loss report is saved as a PDF. Now, let's take a look at the balance sheet. This report will give you a snapshot of your business on a particular date. That way, you know exactly what your business owns, owes, and what it's worth, providing you with key information you need to know to make your next decision. Just like the profit and loss report, simply select your date and the breakdown you wish to be displayed. Let's look at last financial quarter, broken down monthly. Looking good. If you need to filter further, it's simple. Just click on More Filters to open the Report Options panel. Let's make this report more simple by deselecting the currency symbols. If one of the filters doesn't look quite right, remember, fields with purple text can be clicked on to investigate further. Here we can see all the transactions relating to this figure. We can drill down even further by opening this transaction in a new tab. This looks good, so let's return back to the report. Now it's ready to export. Let's export to Excel this time. Nice, all done. As you'll want to run these and other reports on a regular basis, you're able to bundle up all reports into a single document. For more information on report packs, visit our online help page. Exception reports are important to run, especially at the end of each month, quarter, and year, to help keep your financial data healthy and find any transactions that may need attention. You now know how to run some key reports, as well as how to use special features, filters, and options to get a perfect view of your financial data.